Hi friends, do you see the bird or its eye? In the epic Mahabharata, Drona conducted a test for his students by having a wooden bird as the target. When asked, all the students except Arjuna said they could see the wooden bird, the tree, flowers, leaves, and the clear blue sky in the background. When asked, Arjuna said he could only see his target, that is, the bird's eye. Welcome to the fourth session on Conquer Your Mind, Mental Toughness for Cricketers. In this video, I will be covering 4 powerful tips that you can practice to enhance your concentration. Focus is about scope of coverage or breadth, while concentration is about undivided attention or depth. You might be aware of a science experiment where the sunlight, when focused on a piece of paper using a magnifying lens, generates heat and sets the paper on fire. Similarly, we can convert our broad focus to deep concentration using our mind. For us to concentrate, we need a relaxed body and mind. Deep breathing or pranayama is an important tool to relax. While we all breathe to be alive, most of us do not breathe using the right technique. We do shallow breathing. There are 3 parts in pranayama: controlled inhalation, retention, and controlled exhalation. Imagine your belly as a balloon. When you inhale, your belly should bulge out. When you exhale, it should contract. This is known as belly breathing or deep breathing. To begin with, inhale, hold and exhale for a count of 4 each. This is in the ratio of 1:1:1. Slowly progress to an ideal ratio, that is inhalation for 1 count, hold for 4 counts and exhalation for 2 counts, that is the ratio of 1:4:2. Deep breathing helps circulation of oxygen to all parts of your body, enhances your lung capacity and clears your mind. Breathing plays an important role for cricketers as it defines the lung capacity, strength and power utility of the cricketers. For example, the bowler, just before releasing the ball, exhales to get maximum pace on the ball. The same holds good for a batsman when he tries to hit the ball long and hard. The first tip to enhance your concentration is prana dharana. Prana means breath and dharana means concentration. Prana dharana is a powerful tool to enhance concentration and should be practiced daily 2 or 3 times a day. For practicing prana dharana, you should sit comfortably with your back straight, close your eyes and focus your attention on your breath. The second tip is Trataka. Trataka involves focusing on a single point. Place a candle at the eye level and an arm length distance. Sit comfortably, open your eyes and focus on the flame for a minute or 2. Then close your eyes and continue to focus on the internal image of the flame. When you can no longer see the flame, open your eyes. Repeat this for 4 to 5 times. To end this routine, rub your hands together and gently cup your palms over your eyes. The third tip is switch off and switch on. It is important to be switched on while driving on the road. When the journey is long, we all take small breaks to relax and switch off. Taking vacations in between a busy schedule is another example of switching off. As compared to other sports, cricket is a long duration sport. The good news is that cricket requires only a few seconds of intense concentration. This gives cricketers plenty of time to switch off and save their concentration for the right moment. The focus of the batsman at the runner end will generally be broad. This gives him time to switch off partially. He will switch on and be at the peak of his concentration when the ball is about to be released by the bowler. You might have seen former Indian opener Krish Srikanth walking to the square leg umpire after facing a ball and before facing the next ball. Bravo having fun with the crowd at the boundary line, and fielders in the slip cordon cracking jokes. These are various methods cricketers use to switch off on the field. The fourth and final tip is cueing, also known as triggering. You might have observed singers humming, looking at the audience and adjusting the mic before commencing their performance on the stage. This is an example of cueing or triggering to gather concentration and switching on. Triggering is the technique cricketers use to switch on. Trigger can be verbal, visual, or physical. Self-talk covered in my previous video helps cricketers to switch on and stay in the present. Fast bowlers looking at the shine of the ball at the top of their run-up, batsmen looking at the sky or the good length area on the rough in the pitch before facing the ball are examples of visual trigger. The popular Steven Smith's routine before facing the ball, Kohli rolling the bat in his hands, Dhoni unstrapping and strapping his batting gloves are examples of physical triggers. There are many tools available for you to use on and off the field to enhance your concentration. Hope you found this video informative and useful. Please share and like this video and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned. More tips and tricks on mental toughness to follow in the next videos. Thank you and best wishes.